Want to see the profile that you have muted on Threads app but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to see list of muted profiles on Threads app. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's begin by opening Threads app on your phone. Click on the profile icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, click on two horizontal lines icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on Privacy, tap on Muted. Here you can see the list of muted profiles on Threads app. And that's how you can see list of muted profiles on Threads app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.